Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for ENS. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic move away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here, right around 69. Now we can also plot in our monthly swing low right here, around 8.4. Now we also notice a level of resistance here, which we had multiple reactions from this wick here and these candle bodies here, right around 20.36. Now for these levels in here, we're going to hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now, what do we notice? We see a key level right here. Right around 12.81 and 12.1. As we see multiple reactions to this key level acting as support and resistance here as price broke through, pulled back, and continued on down. Now we also notice a key level right here, right around 16.9, as we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. So we can also plot in a key level right here, as we see it acted as support multiple times, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart, right around 40.3. So these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.